What's up, friends? It's your girl Sarah from Sarah Styles here. I am sharing in today's video 5 things I do every single day that get me consistent sales on Poshmark and eBay. Let's jump right into it. The very first one is list every single day. I have list every single day. Even when I was sick with COVID, I was listing every single day. The consistency, especially on eBay, the consistency is going to prove favorable for the algorithm. I am going to link a video up here on how I list every single day, even though I get sick, even though I have children who get sick, even though I took the entire summer off, I was still listing every single day. And I will link the video up there on how I go into doing that. But that is definitely going to help you. The algorithm likes it. The second thing is I ship every single day. Except for Sunday, they don't pick up. But I have a USPS carrier. He picks up from my house. He picks up every single day. Sometimes it's a she. They pick up every single day, Monday through Saturday. Saturday, it's usually a little bit earlier in the morning. But showing not only customers, but showing these platforms that you are shipping every day and you are providing the stellar customer service. They want to see activity. The activity is not just listing, it is also shipping and showing, hey, people are buying items, I am shipping them out. So I definitely make sure to ship every single day. Everything that sells before usually lunchtime goes out for shipping. The other thing that I do is I share on Pinterest. On eBay, I have done a video and there's definitely a reel on my Instagram on how to do this. It's super, super simple on how to share your listings to Pinterest. And I don't really Pinterest, and I know you can do a lot more with Pinterest. The thing with Pinterest is it broadens your search engines, right? So you can search in eBay, you can search in Google, and if you ever notice when you search in Google, one of the first items that come up, typically speaking, a lot of the first items that come up are actually from Pinterest. So it'll take you to Pinterest and then it'll take you wherever from there. Pinterest is one of the top search engines. So if you can take your item from eBay and put it on one more search engine, it's going to broaden your scope and give you more options to sell. So definitely I do that. I relist on Posh every single day. I do use Posher VA, and I do have an affiliate code down below. I am not an affiliate because I want to make money off of it. It's something that I have used and that I use regularly, and I definitely support it. And so I have a coupon code for you guys down there as well to start using it as well. But you can relist and delist on there. You just hit a button and it'll tell you. I have a video up here on how to use it. Actually, I'm not sure that I do. If I don't have a video up here, make sure to subscribe and I will make a video for you guys. But I have talked about it and there's lots of videos you can look it up how to use it. But you can go on there and you can quickly say, I want to, I usually relist the oldest 30 items and increase the price because I know that I've done some closet clearouts over the time period. If you're new to Poshmark, this does increase your exposure and increase your sales because Poshmark is anything, the newer stuff is going to come up at the top. It's not like eBay where you really want to have the best search engine and the best filters and everything filled out. It really is based off of what's shared and what's the newest. So sharing old listings, I have done videos on why this works, but sharing old listings is definitely going to help you. Do I relist on eBay? The answer is no. Let me know down below if you guys relist. There's 2 reasons that I don't relist. One is eBay feeds into Google. Google is, people are in eBay looking for items, but then people will search and the eBay listings will come up. I want to come up on Google as best possible. And it takes Google a little bit of time, a couple months from what I've read, 2 or 3 months, sometimes longer, to figure out and get their algorithm and get these search engines going. And so I don't want to get rid of that data. They have better data in there. And I've read the longer that you have it, the better it's going to come up on Google. The second reason is I do sales based off of how old my inventory is. And if I relist an item, I'm not going to know that it's an older item because it's going to have a new list date. I do have SKU numbers. So I know when I look at a SKU number, hey, this number is a low number, and so it's an older inventory. However, in the SKU in eBay, I have a lot of different numbers in there as well, like my cost of goods and places that I purchased it. And so if you just sort based off of the SKU in eBay, it wouldn't come up in the order of when it was listed, if that makes sense. The fifth thing, and then I do have one bonus, so stay tuned. The fifth thing is sending offers. On Poshmark, I send offers 10 minutes after someone has liked an item. You can do this. You can set this up in Poshmark VA. I do that every single day. So anytime someone likes an item, I send an offer. Typically once a week, I am sending an offer even higher than that offer that I had sent. Usually on paydays or on the weekends, but sometimes it's just whenever I remember or I'm having a slow day. On eBay, I do send offers. I go on the computer as often as I can because then you can also send a coupon. I will link a video up here on how to use eBay's new coupons. There's 3 different ways that you can send coupons. Sending it offers to watchers is one of them. However, you can only do it on the computer. So I do try and do it on the computer at least 3 times a day. If I know that I'm not going to get to the computer for an extended period of time, I will send them on my phone because the quicker turnaround, if someone gets an offer 10 minutes, 15 minutes after they have liked the item, I do feel that they have a better return. It is going to depend on what you sell. If I sell women's clothing, shoes, and purses, they're looking at my items. There's a gazillion other ones of those, a $20 pair of jeans. They're more likely to spend $20 within 15 minutes of liking it. If you sell one-offs and they're having to save for this item, or maybe they need money from payday, you sell kind of more high-end luxury type items, sending once a week may be a better option for you. You can tell, I will link videos up here. Where am I? I will link videos up here on how to look at your eBay data and analytics, because you can try different strategies and then see which one works for you. My bonus tip is respond fast to questions and offers. I have had multiple people tell me, hey, I was going between these 2 items. You got back to me the soonest. I'm going to purchase from you, because they know I'm giving good customer service. I'm answering questions. Even if there's been plenty of times that I'm like, hey, I got your question. I'm not around my inventory right now. I will get back to you this afternoon when I'm around my inventory. I've had people who have told me, hey, I bought from you, even though I had to wait till this afternoon, I bought from you because you were responsive and I knew that you were going to give good customer service. Same goes for offers. Accept offers quickly. I find that they will pay much quicker if you accept them quickly, or if you counter offer while they're still in the app looking around, you have a much better chance of them accepting and paying and still wanting that item if you can do it quickly. If you like this video, YouTube thinks you'd also like this video. I will link a playlist down here on eBay tutorials, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell for my newest videos on how to make money reselling.